Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a simple beam design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete simple beam using working stress method with span of 24 feet, assumed width of 12 inches, and a balanced depth. The beam carries a single concentrated load of 30,000 pounds at mid-span. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 5,000 psi, main bars 1-inch diameter bar grade 60, stirrup bars 3/8-inch diameter bar grade 33. The beam carries a 30,000 pounds concentrated load at mid-span. The assumed self-weight is 325 pounds per foot. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of beam B8, width of beam 12 inches, length of beam 24 feet, main bars 1-inch diameter bar at grade 60, stirrup bars 3/8-inch diameter bar at grade 33, strength of concrete 5,000 psi, uniform load is 325 pounds per foot, and concentrated load is 30,000 pounds. Given Fc prime equals 5,000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows: N equals 7.195, K equals 0.403, J equals 0.866, R equals 393. Given W equals 325 pounds per foot, P equals 30,000 pounds, and L equals 24 feet, the moment from uniform load is 224,640 inch-pounds, and moment from concentrated load is 2,160,000 inch-pounds, for a total design moment of 2,384,640 inch-pounds. The effective depth is 22.49 inches, and total depth is 26 inches. Given M equals 2,384,640, Fs equals 24,000, J equals 0.866, and D equals 23.5, the area of steel is 4.88 square inches. The number of tension bars for 1-inch diameter is 7, and the number of compression bars is 2. The shear force is 18,900 pounds, and shear stress is 67.02 psi, less than 77.78 psi. The total bar circumference is 21.98, for a bound stress of 42.25 psi, less than 339.41 psi. Maximum spacing is 10 inches, and stirrup spacing are as follows: 1 at 2 inches, 1 at 4 inches, 1 at 6 inches, rest at 10 inches. For 1-inch diameter main bars, use half-inch diameter stiffener bars. Design results in metric are as follows: Fc prime equals 5,000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, beam size is 300 mm by 650 mm by 7,315 mm. Main bars of grade 60, at support, top bars 7 pieces 25 mm bar, stiffener bars 2 pieces 12 mm bar, bottom bars 2 pieces 25 mm bar. At center, top bars 2 pieces 25 mm bar, stiffener bars 2 pieces 12 mm bar, bottom bars 7 pieces 25 mm bar. Stirrup of grade 33, 10 mm bar spacing, 1 at 50 mm, 1 at 100 mm, 1 at 150 mm, rest at 250 mm. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.